Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this mascot easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it, you have to click on here. Then select instance from here, then click on this box, then type here 3.5. Then click on this box, then type here 2. Then click on this box, then type here 300. Then click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then click on the anchor point. Then click on here. Then click on here, here and here. Then select the move tool. Then select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold Alt key. Then click on the anchor point. Then click on here, here and here. Then click on the fill. Then you have to select this color. Then select the move tool. Then drag this under this layer. Then select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold Alt key. Then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here. Then click on the fill. Then you have to select the black color. Then select the move tool. Then select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold Alt key. Then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here. Then click on here. Then click on the fill. Then select this color. Then select the move tool. Then select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold Alt key. Then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and here. Then click on the fill. Then you have to select this color. Then select the move tool. Then you have to select this layer. Then press and hold Shift key. Then you have to select this layer. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take a copy from this layer. Then click on the anchor point. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the flip vertical. Then drag this layer in here. Then right click on this layer. Then click the flip horizontal. Then you have to unlock the background layer. Then double click on here. Then click on the color overlay. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then lock this layer again. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the guide overlay. Then you have to click on here. Then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the paste layer style. After that, you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then you have to click on the guide overlay. Then you have to click on here. Then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then select this. Then click on the color. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the paste layer style. Then you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the guide overlay. Then you have to click on here. Then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to rotate the color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then lock this layers. Then select this layers. Then lock these layers. After that, you have to include the icons and write some text in here. I am already writing text, so I am pasting the text in here. After pasting the text, you have to select the background layer. Then click on the I button. Then change the color of this. After change the color, you have to click on the I button again. Then you have to set this text in here. After that, you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. Then you have to select this layer, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this layer and double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then click on the tick mark. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in the mockup. So I am opening the mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, then select all layers from here, then click the backspace. Then back to the main project, then you have to unlock all layers from here. Then you have to select all layers from here, then drag these layers in here. Then set this business card in here. After setting the business card, you have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.